information statement, spotter activation is not anticipated at this time. The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued urban and small stream flood advisory for central Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, trained weather spotters reported heavy rain in Murfreesboro that will cause urban and small stream flooding. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Murfreesboro. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The